going to show you how to make a website in 5 minutes. There's no catches. All you need is Google Business Profile or Google My Business, as it was called. So that's, if you're unfamiliar, you come over here, you look at, say, this restaurant, and they've got all these pictures, reviews, information, and this business would have made it themselves. If you made it, you probably would be able to find it. Just give yourself a Google, it should come up. Sometimes Google makes them for you. So all you need to do is log into your Gmail account and claim the business if you don't already have it. Otherwise, just go search out your business and then Google will have it right there, and you just click on open your profile and you'll land at this point here. So I'll just move me across and you scroll down to website. And if you don't have a website, Google's going to automatically put in all this information you've already added into here. So you can see they've just made a website just like that straight away. So we're just going to go, firstly, change this URL because this looks a bit spammy right now. The hyphens and all that, I personally don't really like it. So let's get rid of this bit at the start and this hyphen. Just make it Delaney Electrical. And if you want to get rid of this .business site at the end here, you've got to buy a domain name. So they offer that as well. It's about $18 a year from Google. That's probably the easiest option. If you want a .com.au, you can connect that otherwise. So this is completely free as well, permitting you're happy with this domain name. The website's only ever going to be so good, but for a few minutes work to have a website, it's pretty awesome. So we'll go to themes, see which one we like the most. I've had a look before. Lagos is good, but I probably do like the original Nova, more. So I'll save changes and we go to edit, get quote, headline, dink headline. Let's just look at what we like. So got the top here. I don't like this header photo. I think I might change that. We'll select from the computer. We'll go all the way down. All the way. And it's this one. It's one of the first things I did in this computer. So having a problem. Oh, it worked. Okay, awesome. So we've got that here. You can see we've got all the updates. And so every time, you don't have to do anything with this website. Every time you make an update or change your business hours or get a new review, it'll come up here as updates and testimonials and stuff. That's awesome. So you just build it once, you're done. So we need some more reviews before they can put testimonials here. Talk to some former clients, see if they can put anything on for you. I'm sure if you did a good job, they'll be happy to. So about us, let's just fill that out. Where's that? We are an electrical company from the obviously, if you want to go through and fill this out thoroughly, there's heaps more you can do with it. So, but this, as is pretty good. So let's just go photos. We're happy there. So happy with the edits. And we'll publish now. I'm pretty happy with that. We can have a look and go back through it if we want. So let's go view site. Look at that, for about 4 minutes work, that's not bad at all. Obviously, if you want a website for lead generation or for anything serious, if you're going to be directing customers there outside of Google Business, I recommend going with a different website builder, maybe a bit more advanced one. Best thing you can do is just talk to a web designer, because for about $1,000, you can get a really good single page website that's going to look really professional and really go far as make your business look a lot more professional. So that's about it, really. You can see there's maps, business hours, all that. I might go fill this out a bit more, but all in all, you can see it's pretty easy.